Welcome to our comprehensive guide on maximizing your benefits with Bingx, the leading cryptocurrency trading platform. In this video, we'll dive into an exciting aspect of Bingx, the new user bonus, focusing on how you can leverage it to your advantage with the referral code CHUCHU. As a new user, if you sign up with Bingx, you're not just stepping into a world of trading opportunities, but also tapping into exclusive bonuses that can give your trading journey an early boost. Here's how. Understanding the new user bonus. What you get with CHUCHU. When you register with the code CHUCHU, Bingx offers you a welcome bonus. This isn't just any bonus. It's designed to help you start trading with extra resources. Why use CHUCHU referral code? Using CHUCHU when registering isn't just about getting a startup bonus. It's your ticket to a range of benefits. Sign up. Bonus. Receive a welcome gift that you can use for trading or explore the platform. Special promotions. Gain access to unique promotions like deposit bonuses or special event access. Educational resources. Exclusive access to tutorials and webinars to enhance your trading skills. Discounts on trading fees. Save on trading fees as new users, allowing you to trade more efficiently. Maximizing your Bingx new user bonus. Here are some tips to make the most out of your bonus. 1. Start small. Use a portion of your bonus to test the waters, familiarize yourself with the platform. 2. Learn and grow. Utilize the educational materials available for new users to learn as you earn. 3. Diversify. Spread your trades across different cryptocurrencies to manage risk. 4. Refer more friends. Each registered friend using your referral code like CHUCHU can increase your bonus pool. Accessing your bonus step-by-step registration guide. To unlock your new user bonus, here, what you need to do. Head over to bingx.com and click on Register. Enter your email, choose a strong password, and when prompted, type in CHUCHU in the referral code section. Complete the registration process and enjoy your bonus in your account. Remember, using CHUCHU during registration not only benefits you right away, but also sets you on a path where you can earn even more. So why wait? Start with Bingx today, apply the CHUCHU code for your bonus, and trade smarter with Bingx.